Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
This first exercise is called jumping jacks. It's a great cardiovascular warm-up activity that you can do before sporting activities. There's different ways that you can do it, different modifications, but by doing this dynamic exercise, you're stimulating blood flow, you're increasing your heart rate, and you're getting blood flowing through the muscles. Jumping jacks are a great warm-up activity. Thanks, DEANNA. This next exercise we're going to have DEANNA do is called the burpees. Burpees is a great cardiovascular warm-up activity, and there's different ways of doing it, including modifications, but you're going to jump up in the air, squat down, kick your legs out into plank or semi-plank position, and if you want, include a push-up. And doing 30 to 60 seconds of this exercise is a great way to get your heart rate up, stimulate blood flow to your muscles, and prepare your body for workout or activity. Thanks, DEANNA. Great job. This next exercise is called jump squats. We're going to have DEANNA jump into the air and catch herself on the way down in squat position. This is a great dynamic exercise, great for warming up the joints and the muscles and stimulating blood flow into the muscles. And it's a great way to build quadricep, glutes, and back strength. There are ways to modify this if you'd like by kicking your feet together. Awesome. Good job, DEANNA.
Thanks for watching. My name's Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.